सो फ्रेंड्स आज हम लोग डील करने जा रहे हैं जावा 8। सो जावा 8 में कुछ फीचर्स ऐड हुए, न्यूली फीचर्स ऐड हुए। अगर कोई आपसे पूछे व्हाट आर द न्यूली फीचर्स ऐड इन द जावा 8, सो यू कैन से फंक्शनल इंटरफेस, lambda expression, default and static method in interface, stream API, what is stream API, optional class for each method they introduce in Java 8, and many more like that, and that's like the concurrency enhancement. So there are number of different features they added in Java 8. So there's a big enhancement between Java 8 and Java 6. Okay, so now today we are going to see the functional interface. So as you see, this is a functional interface I have written. What is it? How you can explain this to the examiner? You can see here interface. So here the interface which contain only one abstract method. Okay, abstract method means which doesn't have any body in itself, only the signature is there. So that reason is abstract method. So means interface, उस वो इंटरफेस जिसके पास खाली एक ही एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड होगा उसको बोलते हैं फंक्शनल इंटरफेस। बट हम इस फंक्शनल इंटरफेस में हम स्टैटिक और डिफॉल्ट मेथड कर सकते हैं, और इसमें अगर हम कोई आपसे पूछे कि कितने डिफॉल्ट मेथड कर सकते हैं तो नंबर ऑफ डिफॉल्ट मेथड हम लोग कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, जैसे the functional interface can have a number of default method. So if someone asks what is the example of functional interface, so you can say runnable interface that have a run method, callable interface that have a call method, and etc, etc. You can also search this in the internet. So if someone will say why we use functional interface, first of all it will focus on single functionality. Second thing is promote clear and concise and readable. It promote clear, concise and readable code. Okay, so that you can understand better. And there are two more concepts, method referencing and lambda expression. So by the use of these two concepts we can also implement our, by the use of lambda expression we can implement our abstract method of functional interface in a very easiest way. Okay, I will show you in the future class how to do that thing. So one more thing, if you are using functional interface, so you must to write at the rate functional interface. So if you have written this, then the compiler will behave that this interface is a functional interface. If you have written more than one abstract method inside this interface, it will give compile time error. Okay, so this is the syntax. You have to write at the right functional interface. Then if you have created an interface, this with public void rates. Okay, explanation better we can see. We can implement this method also by the lambda expression, which we will see after some time. So there are some questions in interface also. The default, why we are using default method, what is the importance, and why we are using in interface. The same like that the static method, why they introduce in static method in interface, what is the use. So we will see this question in the future class. I will tell you. Before that, let's implement the functional interface here. So I have created this project. There I am going to create one interface. Okay, suppose I am creating interface of bank. So this is an interface. When you know in interface we can define only the abstract method. Before previous to Java 8. Now suppose if I create one abstract method, public void get rates. Okay, this is a one abstract method. This is public void get bank name. This is another abstract method. Okay, but if you remember in my notebook, so what I said to you that functional interface which contain only one abstract method, but here if you see two abstract method, but if you write at the rate functional interface here, then it will give error. What error? That multiple non-overriding abstract method found in interface Java bank. Okay, so you have to remove this, then it will behave like a functional interface. Now in our next class we will see how what is default method in the interface, and why it is useful, and we can define multiple default methods, and what is use of static method, use of static method in the interface. Okay, so we will see this. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want more, then please comment.